got these things on Amazon. They're basically these Among Us little poppers. You know, those poppers that you get from the mail. Those poppers, you know, pop, 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 pop. We're going to review them right now. Up next. And we're going to open them. Right here. Hey, look. There they are. No. Right here, these are the little things. The smiley and be happy. And then, right here we got the little Among Us. Oh my god! Let's try these out. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Wait, can you guys hear that? Wait, let me try the blue one. That's so cool. That is so cool. These are Among Us. These are so cool. Now we're gonna try this one. Ooh. Okay, then we're gonna try this. We basically just got this in the mail because we ordered this yesterday from Amazon, and we just got it today. And guys, if you guys want these, I'll link these to the link in the description below. They're very fun. And I gotta say that. You also get a pink one. Some of them got popped. Got pop them out. See, look. See, you can literally do this. See, look. That's very cool. My favorite one has to be the blue one and the red one. These has to be my favorite ones. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next one. Okay, so what we have here is look like a little watch thing, but you basically get to pop them. Another one of those, and then we get a little poppers just like these ones, but a not Among Us version. I'm gonna open them up. Whoa, and then you basically pop them like this. Whoa, and you can even put them back. Whoa. And these are very fun. You guys can play with these. And this link is in the description below. I'm really gonna try this one. This watch one. Oh, that's easy. Basically a popper. You get to pop. Whoa. And you get to pop them. It does make a sound. Yeah, it does make a popping sound. Can you actually put this around you? I don't think so. I don't know if you could. If you could actually do that. No, it doesn't work. If it could. It's hard to do it with one person. Okay, yes, it can work. You just need to put this upside down. Okay, yes, it can work. And we also got another one. And that is cool. Don't need that. All the trash goes there. Okay, now. Come on. There you go. We have another watch right here. That's pretty cool. Can you actually like put this on the other hand? It'll be kind of hard though. Thinking. At least I don't have two hands though. Okay, no, I don't think I could because I already got one. And so far, these are actually fun. These. Oh, I'll throw this away. These are actually very fun. And you guys can get these in the link in the description below. I like very fun like this. Poppers. That's really cool. Now we got one more. I actually play with them without it open. You're like, you can actually. Don't need this. Okay, now these are all of it. Here. Those are actually very fun. Can't get that. This one I was kind of hard. I can't get that in. Let's do this again. And yeah, these are actually very fun. I'm doing it as fast as I can. You guys can hear the puppet. Yeah, these are actually very fun like this. My favorite ones have to be the Among Us. Haven't tried the pink one yet. We'll have to do it before the video ends. Like literally, like this. This is like the best part of the day. Like here, these are like the best part of the day, kind of. Like I hold all of these, and especially this one, and also these. To expire them to be these, like I don't know how to say about these. These has to be the best ones. I haven't tried this one yet. The purple and this one. It literally looks like Among Us. Literally, you can change your Among Us color like this. It's like, and it can never break. Like you see, look, it can never break. And these are actually very fun. And you also got the watch one. Like it doesn't really make a sound, but it works though. But you can just repop them again. These can never break. Like we've tried this one. This one is very cool. This one's called simple Dimple These are what's it called. If you guys want these, I'll link these. Link in the description below. These are actually very fun. It's very satisfying to you. And you guys have to try these out. See what you think about them. Also, this little thing needs a pop too. That's cool. And we also need to try the pink one before the video ends. Like this. It can never break. Like you see, look, it can never break. Does a lot of popping though. We got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is actually very cool. These can never break. See, these can never break. Like you see. This one's pop more. Let's see. Look. This is cool. And honestly, these are very cool. If you guys want these, I'll link this in the description below. And this is the end of the video. Goodbye, guys.